Okay, I'm finishing my resume. I would like to know how I can say I'm still working. Okay, here's my friend. Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
How are you, Steve? Good morning.
Good morning. Maybe
before going to the job, I'm finishing my resume because another company called me yesterday afternoon for a new job. It's very interesting.
excellent. So
Oh, thank you.
quickly, you can send me by email your address, your resume. Just send your resume to me. I'll look at it, and I'll just make the changes. How about that?
Excellent. Can I do that now?
Yes. Do you have my email address?
Yes, I have free English lesson at gmail.com, right?
You have to make sure you have the S. So when you say it, free English lessons. It's actually a Z sound at the end. Free English lessons. And then I know that you have the right address. You have to remember the S at the end.
Let me try. English lessons. Free English is different because in Portuguese we used to say it's common say sound S instead of Z.
That's true.
Try again. English lessons.
Good. Because the first part is similar. Less. L-E-S. Less. Very simple. That's like Portuguese. Less. No, less. You're at
Less.
And so what you want to say is sens. In Italian, sens. Yeah, in Italiano, senza.
Interesting. Cinza is a word for Portuguese too. Cinza means, you know what cinza means in Portuguese?
Sesame. No.
Cinza is gray color gray.
Oh, it's okay.
In Portuguese.
I'm thinking of Cinzano. Do you know Cinzano, the drink?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, it's a famous company in Italy.
Italy.
Yeah. I hope one day you could go to Italy. See, lessons.
Lessons.
No.
Interesting.
Well, just yeah. It should be. Yeah, I think you know how to say send.
Let me write.
Send.
Send.
Nah, you're going z. All right. Because I'm trying to say, I want you to get S-E-N, sen.
Sen.
Good, sen.
Sen is not sense.
Well, just step by step. Sen.
Okay.
Sen. Yeah, I want you to say sen, and then I want you to say sens. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Lessons. I want you to go slowly, and you say it's three parts. Lessons.
Then,
Remember, it's first S, and then the second one is Z.
sen,
Yes, excellent. That's right. You're going slowly. Go sens.
thank you.
That's right. So in Italiano they say Cinzano. Lessons.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. Lessons.
Steve,
Yeah.
how can I put